Imagine waking up surrounded by nature, inside a house that looks like it belongs on the cover of an architecture magazine. Today, we're taking an exclusive look inside this unbelievable modern black cabin. And trust me, you're gonna want to see the backyard. Alright, welcome guys. Right off the bat, look at this sleek black facade combined with warm natural wood. The angled roof lines and giant glass windows give it such a bold, high-end feel while still blending seamlessly into the forest. Step inside, and the vibe immediately shifts to pure warmth and luxury. I love this long entryway bench with integrated lighting and soft pillows. A moan super welcoming spot to kick off your shoes. Moving into the heart of the home, this open concept kitchen. Check out this gorgeous island with bar seating, matte black fixtures, top-tier appliances, and even this cool hidden pop-up outlet on the countertop. Plus, a cute coffee and cocktail station over here. All right next to the kitchen, we have the cozy living room with vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light flooding in, plush cream sofas, and a sleek black fireplace below the TV. This is the ultimate spot to unwind. Heading down the hallway, everything feels so seamless, hidden neatly behind these wooden doors. You even have a full washer and dryer set up. Now let's check out the primary suite. Look at this accent stone wall, combined with hanging pendant lights, a king-sized bed, wavy mirrors, and full-length glass doors opening right to the trees. It feels like a luxury resort. And check out this ensuite bathroom. Double vanity with backlit LED mirrors, matte black hardware, and a walk-in glass shower lined with dark slate tiles. Absolutely stunning. Now, if you have guests or family coming over, look at this incredible bunk room. Built-in twin beds with reading lights, an extra lounge nook upstairs, and another gorgeous full bathroom featuring deep green tiles. Saving the best for last, the outdoor space. You've got a massive wooden deck for outdoor dining, a grill station, and a custom fire pit in the backyard surrounded by trees. What do you think of this cabin? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next tour.